Good afternoon. After the winter, I just took her out to standing for several months in the garage. She looks beautiful. Had her on the battery charger, so the battery should be fine. Put some fuel sanitizer in it, so fuel should be fine. And today we're going to see if she starts. So let's see if the battery runs. Battery run. Do we have power? Yes, we have power. And since we have the flat slides, I'm going to give it a twist 2 times. 1, 2. Oh wait, I forgot to open the fuel. Open the fuel. So. Grandson, so fuel should be in there, so I give it a twist. 1, 2. So the fuel pump should have done something. Let's take a look what she does. I'm gonna give it one more time. This is because there's flat slides, they don't have a choke. They don't want to give it too much gasoline, but also not too little. Here we go. Give it one more. Ah, that sounds good. One more. It's the first time I'm doing this. Alright, one more. I don't want to overdo it with the throttle, otherwise she'll drown, but I'm giving it one more time. See what she does. Almost there. One more time. So that's 6 times altogether. One more time. Almost. This is 8 times altogether. So that's 9 times. Almost. All right, 10 times. Almost there. Eleven times. Ah, here she comes. 12. 13. It seems to work better like this. All right, 14.